Home to the largest natural lake in Vietnam, Ba Bi National Park is a hidden gem filled with lush forests and unique wildlife. We start our journey with a peaceful kayak adventure along the Ninh River, a chance to discover landscapes of wild and serene beauty. Next, we explore the magnificent Puong Cave, a true natural wonder adorned with stunning stalactites and a home for thousands of bats. We are totally immersed in local life, in the rhythm of ancestral traditions, as we meet villagers with warm smiles on their faces.
So everyone, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Tham Phay is a mineral theater with the most fascinating rock formations, with many stalagmites and stalactites and huge stone columns playing with incredible shapes and colors. Penetrating deep into the cave, many bats cling to the dome, while we guess other insects and also plants, a real paradise for the naturalist. Aided by our expert guides, we overcome obstacles to reach unique viewpoints. We conquer the challenging 3-kilometer stream cave, requiring us to swim through narrow passages to uncover its hidden beauty. Going deeper into the cave, you will find many unusual features of the cave, such as the ceiling dome and many layers of rock, giving the walls a striking appearance. Moreover, the deeper one sinks into the cave, the cooler the air and the more the stream swells. Hard work pays off, and our team is rewarded with medals for their determination and resilience in this extreme exploration.
It was absolutely amazing.
That's very cool. Everyone want to say anything?
Wow, 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 wow.
Oh. Video? Yeah.
Right.
A short hike takes us to a traditional house on stilts where we feast on local specialties washed down with the iconic happy water, a guarantee of renewed energy.
Looks like it's like. How do you sit there? Hey, everyone! Cheer! What? How to say? Một, hai, ba, vô! Hai, ba, vô! Hai, ba, uống!
As we bid farewell to Bobby National Park, we're left with unforgettable memories filled with awe-inspiring landscapes, thrilling challenges, and warm encounters.